What is up, YouTube? USMC Vet here. Hey guys and gals, just wanted to get you guys a quick update on the non-toxic grass killer, weed killer that I put out. So here is a patch that I sprayed down. Still need to go back over it because apparently I didn't hit it heavy enough. But here is where I did not. So you can see the difference between the two. Not sprayed, sprayed. Not sprayed, sprayed. So that's just a quick look at it. I also did some here, which killed that. And as you can see, it's pretty green over there. And killed all the grass on the cracks of the sidewalk. Some of the stuff's more resilient than others, but well, there you guys go. It works. Just want to show you guys that it does work. So there's a transition. I sprayed on this side close right here, and that side I didn't spray. So there's your update. Thumbs up, thumbs down, bitches, moans, complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm USMC Vet. Simplify Godspeed. Have a great day.